Welcome to part 4 of our WorldCat Discovery tutorial, presented by the University of Mount Olive, Moy Library. In this video, we will be looking at requesting interlibrary loans. If you come across an article or print book that you would like to use but Moy Library doesn't have access to, you may request the item through Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan is a program that you have access to where a network of libraries share information resources. Books can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to reach its desired location. Electronic articles can reach you much quicker. You may receive an electronic article anywhere from the same day that it was requested to a few days later. You may request an interlibrary loan in WorldCat Discovery from the Items page. You will need to click the button labeled Request Item through Interlibrary Loan, which is under the Access Options heading in the top right. Then you will be taken to the request form. Each field is self-explanatory except maybe for the patron ID. The patron ID will be your student ID. Once we have received your request, we will be in touch with you about the status of the loan. If it happens that the request button does not appear and all you see is at University of Mount Olive Moy Library under the Access Options heading with no full text button, or you find an article in another database that you do not have access to, you may fill out a request form on the Interlibrary Loans page. You can get to the Interlibrary Loans page from the Moy Library homepage by clicking Interlibrary Loan under the Quick Links heading. The Interlibrary Loans page will give you more information about the loans. To fill out the form, go to the bottom of the page to the header labeled ILL Request Form and click the blue button labeled Begin. Thank you for watching. For more information or help concerning library services, please visit umo.edu/library.